And today we're going to be checking out this vehicle backup system right here. That's right, this is a wireless system with a 1080p camera. It says a 10-minute install, and what you do is you mount the monitor inside your vehicle, you mount the camera in the back. It's completely wireless, and it's going to send the signal from the back of your vehicle all the way to the front so you can see what's behind you when you're backing up. How cool is that? So what we're going to do real quick is we're going to unbox this, take a look to see what all is inside the box, and then we're going to go outside, put it in the truck, and see how it works. Let's get to it. Alrighty, we're going to open it up real quick. On the top you have a manual, you have a screen it looks like, got a bunch of wires, a couple antennas, some mounts, another camera, got a whole bunch of stuff in here. Alright, so this is just some kind of mounting pad, double-sided tape. Inside here, this is the actual camera that mounts, and it will mount where your license plate is. Very cool. You can see that there is a single wire here. This is the mount for your screen inside the car. You can see that this is where the double-sided tape comes in. You have an antenna for the camera. You have an antenna for the screen. You have a power cable. You will have to run power for the camera from inside the vehicle. You're going to get a power supply for the screen for inside, and you get a second cable as well for a different powering option. So very cool that you get multiple options. Let's see what the screen looks like and check it out. It's a color screen. It's 1080p. You can see where the antennas hook on the back right here. Nice, clean, simple. In essence, you're going to hook up a power in the back, hook up a power in the front, plug everything in, and it's going to work. Let's go outside and install this and see how well it works. Alright, so I got the system all installed, ready to go, ready for us to check out. First thing I'm going to show you is the back of the vehicle where I attached it with my license plate screws. Of course, I had to cover my license plate up because that can't be shown. But this is where my license plate is, right here, and this is the camera. And you just simply slide the bracket in behind your license plate, put a screw in here, the screw back in here, because you're going to pull the screws out of the top two holes for your license plate, slide the bracket in, put the two screws back in, and then just run your power and hook it up on the inside. And that's what the camera looks like installed. Now we're going to come around inside the vehicle, and you can see we have the camera powered up right there. Let me see if I can block the sun. But here's the camera itself. You can see that it's got quite a nice image. Plenty sharp enough. You do have video 1 and video 2 because you can hook up 2 cameras with this. So if you were to buy a second camera, you can actually run dual cams and you can just watch camera 1, camera 2, or camera 1 and 2 at the same time. Very, very nice feature right there. Then you just have your menu button so you can do the pairing, which it'll pair automatically. Your picture, you can mirror the image, and then you have your system set up. This is your confirm button, and then this is your scroll buttons right here, and this is the power to turn it off and on. You can also see you got the backup indicators for when you're backing up and you're driving. And I do want to note that this does come with a windshield mount. That's what I used. I thought it was just the mounting bracket, but it's actually a windshield mount. And you also have the hard mount for the dash as well. And this one I just ran this down into my 12-volt supply down here. And there it is, ready to go. Nice and easy to install, took no time whatsoever. It works very well. You get multiple mounting options, and it's going to get the job done. This would be great for RVs, SUVs, pulling trailers, just any situation where you might need a backup camera or you need to look out for what's behind you. I hope this video helps, and thanks for watching.